Bird facts. Some birds can actually sleep with one eye open, and some can even sleep in flight. How do they do this? Well, birds don't sleep quite as deeply as humans do. They usually sleep for just brief spells until being startled awake by predators. Teeny, tiny hummingbirds are a sight to behold, and their flight skills are spectacular. They can, of course, fly forward and up and down, but they can also fly backward and even hover in place. The only bird with this capability, according to the National Audubon Society.